back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video I will show you how you can make your Twitter account private. It's a very simple process. To learn it, watch the video till the very end. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected to the internet, then simply open your Play Store to check it your Twitter app is updated or not. If your Twitter app update is available, then update your Twitter app and then open it. So after open your Twitter app, then you will see your profile icon at the upper left corner. So tap on your profile icon, and now here you'll see a option called settings and support. Tap on here, and now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. So once you are here, then all you need to do is just to tap on privacy and safety, and now tap on audience and tagging, and now here you will see protect your tweet. Enable this option. After enable this feature, only your current followers will be able to see your next tweet. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.